Hey guys, it's me, Liv, and welcome to September's mixed media project that I'm making for Tress Jolie's Kit of the Month. So, as you can probably hear from my voice, I'm still a little bit under the weather, so I'm going to be using a lot more music than I normally do. But wanted to just walk you through how I did this project, and then you guys can watch along to see how it is. So first up, whenever you're using canvas, I always try to gesso my canvas first. If it's not pre-gessoed with just one, it didn't mention if it was, then I want to take some white gesso and adding the mica powders into it, you're able to create your own colors. So I am going to be using the blue and the green are the primary colors that I'm going with for this project. And when you're doing this, all you need to do is go ahead and stir in as much color as you feel like you want for your project. It can add more or less. Pretty much you can see how I'm doing it here with the green, and put it in any type of part of the canvas that you want. Once I'm done with that, I'm then going to actually use gesso to create some texture with my stencils and then put on my gilding flakes with some stamping using the glue that comes in the kit and putting it onto the chipboard frame that you see there as well. I'm going to also be doing a bunch of stamping on the canvas using a combination of some black ink as well as some of my distressed oxide inks in matching colors just to give it some variety, and then putting some gilding flakes all throughout the frame. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to cue the music so you can continue to watch it. And thank you so much for making sure that you check out this one and the other kits that come this month if you like to do scrapbooking or other card kits that my other design teammates will be working with. So I will see you for my next project and hope you all are doing well. Take care. Bye. very quickly going to interrupt the music part because I realized I didn't mention that I also use rub-ons. Now, I actually am a very big rub-on fan, especially the ones that 49 and Market make. I think they're just so cool, and they pretty much pop almost against any background. So if you've never seen the 49 and Market ones, definitely go check them out. But basically, I'm just taking the rub-ons, putting them on all different parts of the project where they can fit. When I use the rub-ons, sometimes I want the whole image. Sometimes I don't mind if it breaks, especially when I'm doing a grungy background like this. But just wanted to give you more ideas. Now I'm going to go back to the music part so you guys can continue to watch the rest of the videos. Thank you.